for chasing the mouse. First move the cursor down of the screen and open the extension tool. Then select the pen. Then go to Events, select and drag, when green flag clicked. Now go to Pens and select and drag, erase all and pen up blocks. Keep it under the main block. To create a block, go to My Blocks, click on Make a Block. Now click on Add a Label. Name the label as Move Cat Forward and click on OK. Repeat same to add another block and label as Move and Bounce at Edges. Arrange the blocks as shown. Now go to Motions, select and drag Move 10 steps block. From My Block, add Move Cat Forward. From Motion, add Point toward mouse pointer and if on edge bounce. From My Blocks, add Move and Bounce at Edges block. Now go to Motion, drag, go to X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. Point in direction 90. Go to Blocks and add Move and Bounce at Edges. To choose background, select Backdrop option from it. Let the background be the desert. Now we can see the output by running the program. We can see that the cat will chase toward the mouse pointer. And at the edges cat bounces.